Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't talk say the performance of People's Democratic Party (PDP) for the Saturday local government election for the state don't show the party dominance, and say the outcome of the election a reflection of the wish of majority of Edo people. Oga Obaseki yarn this one when he talked to Tori people for the Diocese of Benin Anglican Communion, St. Peter's Anglican Church for the 15th Memorial Thanksgiving service of his papa, late Pa Roland Oni Obaseki. The Ogbonge people will follow Oga Governor do this wakana, the Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Ogi Esquire and Oredo Local Government Chairman-elect Dr. Tom Obaseki, among other top government ogas. Oga Obaseki consti talk say, but this sweet and wella for the way the local government election for the state go, and say Edo people dey democratically mature as they no record any single katakata for the election process, and say but this sweet and sake of the way the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission do their job for the election, and say the turnout dey fair and the election are free and fair.
I once again want to thank the people of Edo State. You can see that we are democratically matured in this state. In terms of the way the elections were conducted, I was pleasantly surprised by the diligence of EDSEC. I went round, and the number of polling units I saw manned by EDSEC and the various electoral officers was quite impressive. I mean, across, and these are 3 metropolitan local governments, the turnout was fair, as expected, but we also showed that we can conduct elections without disrupting activities, people's economic and social activities. People voted and went about their various activities for the weekend. So overall, I believe that we have done well, and we have shown that it was free, it was fair, there was mass participation, and the dominance of PDP as a party in the state was clearly exhibited in the election. I've not seen an election that has not been challenged. In America, elections are challenged, and that's why provisions are made in the law and in the process for tribunals to review and adjudicate on the cases or complaints of contestants. So, but overall, I mean, you could see the evidence is very overwhelming. PDP campaigned. The campaign for this local government election as if it was a major national election. I went with them around the 18 local governments of the state. I know that there were campaigns. The councillors campaigned rigorously in the various wards, and I didn't see too much presence from the opposition. So I'm not surprised at all at the results we saw yesterday. But more importantly, it's the response of the people. There was no violence, and it was clear that the results reflected the wishes of the people. I think for us, it's been discipline, very disciplined. The word has always been discipline and humility. In everything you do, no matter how successful you are in life, you must know that you're still a human being, and you're still responsible to somebody who is above you, which is God Almighty. So the key word has been discipline and humility.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Aberoswagene Ejo, TMC TV News.